How to recharge Netflix. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can recharge your Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to actually recharge Netflix, there is no need for you to recharge Netflix because Netflix renews itself automatically as long as the payment details are there inside your account and if they're working and correct. And if you want to review them manually, then you can open up your browser and simply actually go to netflix.com and log into the account on which maybe you want to recharge. Right now, to view your payment details, just tap on the three lines option from the top left of the screen here and then simply go to the option called account. Then once you go to the option called account, over here you can simply scroll down and here you can see my payment method is actually working just fine. So in my case there's no need for me to do anything, but if your subscription has ended, you can just try to add a backup payment method or add another payment method and try to remove the current one to see if that actually helps you out. And this way you should hopefully be able to go ahead and then recharge Netflix. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.